Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the date and time. So to set up date and time manually, you have to firstly disable automatic date and time. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change time zone by disabling automatic time zone. So first you select your region, then select your time zone. And you can also change time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.